Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've been waiting for this video. It's about an 18-minute video to upload. Of course, it's Saturday afternoon, which is a terrible time to be uploading videos. It's going to take about an hour. It's almost done. So in the meantime, I decided to look at my channel analytics, and specifically audience. So I came down here. This shows you the time that people watch. The darker the purple, the more people have watched in that time. So it's like Friday afternoon and Saturday afternoon. And then subscriber bell notifications. That's the little bell on each video where you have a chance to click on the bell, and then you will get a notification when I upload a new video. And some of these videos are time dependent, so you'd want to do that, but my count is 12.7, and they're saying typical on YouTube is 20 to 30, so that's pretty low. So you haven't clicked on that bell. Now, maybe you don't want a lot of emails coming from YouTube. Well, I don't do a lot of videos per week. I do like 5 or 6 per week. So you're not going to get a lot of email notifications. Now, come down here, watch time from subscribers. Non-subscribed is 82%. So 82% of the people watching my videos aren't subscribed. That's a little troubling. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and better yet, click on the bell when you subscribe, and then you'll get notifications when I upload a new video. And then gender, well, that's pretty obvious, mostly male. And then one other little chart here is age, and not surprising, most of my viewers are over 45, and 27% are over 65, like myself. So that's just some stats I thought I'd show you. Here's a video coming up where I did a comparison of the features of the new Texan PL330 versus the H-501X, and it's still processing, so it'll be a while before this gets released. It's probably about maybe 20 to 30 minutes away. Again, Saturday is a bad day. Thanks for watching, and click on that bell so you'll get notifications, and please subscribe. That would be great. I'd appreciate that. That shows that I'm doing shows that people are interested in and want to subscribe. Have a great day. Bye-bye.